Gracie, you enjoying your water? She's definitely a strange cat. She drinks water from a cup with her hand and drinks it off of her hand. I have friends with cats that do this too. I still think it's strange. Have you had enough water? I'm not sure your face will fit up. Don't you knock that over. Oh boy. And of course Sandy Claus is coming downstairs. I wonder what she brought us. Oh, you brought a sock! Thank you, San. Come here. Thank you so much. I appreciate the gift. I've got very strange cats. I love them so much, but they're weirdos.